Good day, everyone. You're welcome to this lesson. Today, our subject is basic science and technology. Our focus is on science, and our topic is animals. We are considering the topic animals, and our focus is on their habitation and sound. Animals, their habitation and sound. My name is Ms. Adegoke. You are welcome to this class. As you can see on the screen, there's the picture of some animals. You can see them. They are living together. They are cohabiting. That's what we call habitation, habitat, where things live. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to mention some animals and where they live. That is their habitation. Then number 2, you should be able to mention the sounds of some animals. All animals don't make the same sound. They have different sounds that they make. So you should be able to mention the sounds of some animals. Okay, what are animals? We are talking about the habitation and the sound of animals. What are animals? Of course, animals are also living things. And then they have, living things means they have life. And they have some qualities like human beings. You know, they can move, they can eat, you know, they reproduce and stuff like that. Now, these animals we are talking about, we've learned about animals a lot. Today, we are only focusing on their habitation and their sounds. Animals have different places of living, and they also have different sounds. Human beings live in houses. We live in houses. We don't live on trees. All of us live in houses. The houses that we live in shelter us. They protect us. But animals are not like that. Some of them live in the forest, outside there. Some live on trees. They don't care whether rain falls or not. So animals have different places of living, and they have different sounds. Some animals live on land. Some live in water. Some live on trees, and some live in holes. Yes, inside holes. Some of them live there. Okay, we are going to be looking at some animals, their habitation, and the sound they make. Look at the screen. I'm sure you are very familiar with this animal. Some of you have it in your house. Yes, this is the image of a dog. This is a dog. This animal we are talking about is the dog. Where does a dog live? A dog lives in a kennel. And what is its sound? It barks. A dog barks. You can see it on the screen. You can see the dog. You see this house made for it is called a kennel. Okay, the next animal we have here is the cock. You know, the cock is male. If it's a female, we call it hen. And we call their little ones chicks. Okay, so this is the image of a cock. You can see it's there. Cock live a cock lives in cages. It lives in a cage. They live in cages or in a coop. And what do? What is the sound that they make? A cock crows. Okay, the next animal we have here is a lion. Take note of these things. You are going to give me yours too at the end of this lesson. The next animal that we have here is a lion. Where does a lion live? A lion lives in a den. That's why we call them a den of lions. It also lives in a lair. You see, it's the L-A-I-R. They live in lairs too. What is the sound that they make? Can you tell me that sound? A lion roars. A lion roars. You can see these lions. You see them. You see this lion, you know, at the mouth of you see at the mouth of this den, you see the lions there. Okay, they roar. The next animal that we have here is the pig. Pig. And a pig lives in a sty. Okay, what sound does it make? It grunts. You can see a group of pigs here. You can see this one here. See this one here. You see, this one is sleeping. We have the others there. You see, these are pigs. They live in a sty, and then they grunt. That's the sound they make, they grunt. Okay, the next animal we have here, can you tell me? Oh, you can see this beautiful animal here. A lot of people like to ride on them. You know, during parties, you go to the beach, you see them there. This is a horse. The next animal we are considering is the horse. Horses live in stables. A horse lives in a stable. And then what sound does it make? It neighs. It neighs. The sound of a horse is neighing. It neighs. N-E-I-G-H-S. It neighs. The next animal that we have here is the bee. Oh, everybody loves what comes out of bee. You know them? You know those things that we get from bee? We get honey from bee. From bees, we get honey from bees. Everybody loves honey, but nobody likes the stink of a bee. These animals are called bees. They live in a hive. And what sounds do they make? They hum. They hum. They hum. They hum. That's the sound they make. Okay, this next animal we are looking at is a rabbit. A rabbit. You can see them. See this white rabbit. Most times they are white like that. Sometimes they have some little color of pink there. Look at this one. Look at this one. You see where they live? And this rabbit is the tame rabbit, the one that can live with people. We have rabbits that are wild. These ones are tame. They can live with people. And where does what do we call their habitation? It is called a hutch. Hutch. What sounds do they make? They squeal. They squeal. A rabbit squeals. You can see that. So these are tame rabbits. They live and they can live with people. Okay, I mentioned them, the tame rabbits. These ones are the wild rabbits. They can't live with people. They can. It's not good for them to live with people. Okay, they live in burrows. That is, they live in the ground. They live in burrows. What sound do they make? They also squeal. This is the wild rabbit. They also squeal. Okay, this next animal we have here is the snake. Snakes. Where do snakes live? They live in holes. You know, they like to go deep into the. That's why you must be careful. Look at this picture here. You can see the heads of 3 snakes there. And if somebody doesn't know, you just walk by, you know, they can sting the person. That is why you must be very, very careful. Look at this one too. Look at this one too. You see them sticking their necks, their body out, you see, out of this hole. If someone is not careful, maybe you're on top or you just walk by, you don't know. See, there are 2 other snakes here. And you do not know. That's why you must be careful of holes. You don't know what is in the hole. You must be careful. So they live in holes. And what sound do they make? A snake eases. Snakes ease. A snake eases. That's the sound that they make. Okay, the next one that we have here is a cow. The cow. Where do cows live? They live in the byre. They live in the byre. You see the spelling of byre there? B-Y-R-E. Byre. What sound do they make? The loo. The loo. That's the sound that they make. You can see cows in this picture. Okay. Okay, this next animal we are considering is the snail. Snail. Can you see that? Can you see that? I'm sure you are very familiar with snails. When rain falls, they come out. You see them, you know, crawling all over the place. They come out when rain falls. If you live close to where there is a farm or where there are bushes, you are going to see snails a lot. They are sold in the market too. Okay, so snails live where? In shell. Their shell, you know, they are always with the shell is part of their body. When you touch them, just touch a part of their body like this, what happens? It coils back into its shell. So snails live in shell. What sound do they make? They hiss too. Then we have the elephant. Have you seen an elephant before? If you have been to a zoo, you would have seen them. Elephants. Now, where do elephants live? They live in forests. Look at these elephants. You see that they are in water. They can come in water and also move out of water. So elephants live in forests. What sound do they make? They trumpet. Say trumpet. They trumpet. Then we have, I'm sure you know this one. You are very familiar with it because it is part of what you eat regularly. We have fish. Fish. And as you can see, that fish is inside something. It is in water. Fishes live in water. And what sound do they make? They drum. They drum. We have more animals. We have lots of animals. Like the bear. The bear lives in a den and it growls. We have the mouse. The mouse lives in hole or in nest and it squeaks. We have the eagle. The eagle lives in an eyrie and then it screams. We have the owl. The owl lives in barn and also on trees and they hoot. They hoot. We have more animals. We have the monkey. The monkey lives on trees, okay, and it chatters. We have the duck. Duck live in water. They also live on land. Then the quacks. That's the sound they make. They quack. Then we have the sheep. The sheep live. The sheep live in fold or pen, and then they bleat. They bleat. That's the sound that they make. Now, we have seen that animals have different places of living, and they also have different sounds. Just like human beings, some people speak Igbo, speak Yoruba, though we all talk. Animals make different kinds of sounds. Some animals live on land, some live on water, they live in water, some live on trees, and then some live in O's. Okay, you have to find out the habitation and sounds of these animals. You see the first one that we have here, that's the tiger. We have the giraffe. We have the wolf. We have the whale. Then we have fish. So you mention the habitation and the sounds of these animals. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.